If you are editing videos and struggling with green screen, this is the easiest method you can follow even as a beginner. You don't need a fancy setup, you don't even need any expensive plugins. Hello everyone, welcome back to GetAssist, and in the next 3 minutes I'll show you how to remove green screen in Premiere Pro. Clean, smooth and professional. First thing you need to do is open your Premiere Pro software, and once it's opened, import the clip you want to edit. Just click on import, then select the footage you want and then click on open. Now go to the effects panel. If you don't see it here, go to window, then click on workspace, then click on all panels and it will appear. Now inside effects panel, search for ultra key. Here it is. Now I simply drag this effect and drop it directly onto the green screen clip. Now here is the important part. Click on this eyedropper tool and pick the green color from your background. And boom, your green screen is disappeared. But you can see it's not looking clean. So now we will adjust the settings. Click on alpha channel and you can adjust your green screen until your clip looks fine. Just play around with these options until your subject looks clean and natural. Adjust the transparency, highlights and other given options to make the clip looks clean. And see, the video is ready. No green edges, no weird glow. And that's it. You have removed your green screen like a pro. And that's it. You have removed your green screen like a pro. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon, because I post simple editing tutorials like this every week. And that's all for today's video. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.